wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best pipe locators. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, an affordable alternative to electronic options in this category. The magnetomatic 215.618 should be held loosely in the hand, allowing its collapsible antenna to align itself with any linear magnetic fields it passes over. It comes with a convenient holster, however it takes practice to master, and it's got a limiting lack of features. At number 7, the seesii MS6818 has flashlight and backlight functions that are useful for working in the dark. It turns off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity, which helps to extend its battery life for absent-minded users. It includes a grounding rod, but the instruction manual is confusing and it doesn't come with the required batteries. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you find the complex gadgetry in this category overwhelming, you might like the stripped-down design of the CST Berger 19555 MT101. Its simple aluminum housing has just 2 knobs, providing volume and sensitivity control for the unit. It comes with a soft case and a waterproof shaft. However, there's no display screen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pipe locators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, although it doesn't come with any batteries, the Noyafa NF816C does come with a pair of earbuds that can be helpful when you're working in loud environments. The included compartmentalized carrying case helps keep the whole kit tidy. It features a 70 mA maximum working current and a 1,000-foot transmission range, but it's a poor design for ground scanning. Halfway up our list at number 4. Complete with a soft carrying case, a transmitter and alligator clamps, the Leica Geosystems DD120 kit operates using a mixture of 8 and 33 kHz transmission frequencies and can be used to detect underground lines at 10-foot depths. It's IP54 dust and water resistant, with an automatic diagnostic test at startup and a hazard zone alert for shallow cables. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Formerly manufactured by Greenlee Communications, the transmitter included with the Tempo Communications 501 has a maximum range of 4,000 feet. Its receiver expresses signal strength to its operator using both audio and visual indicators. It comes with a hardshell molded carrying case, a 3-inch transmission clamp, and a 1-year limited warranty. At number 2, the ridgid 19238 navitrack Scout uses a multi-directional antenna to track surrounding magnetic fields. This technology eliminates the nuisance of false peaks and null readings when scanning an area, allowing you to feel confident about the data your tool provides. It includes a mapping display that helps with discovery, an instructional DVD and manual, and a lifetime warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Powered by 4C batteries, the ridgid 21893SR20 boasts a continual depth feature that monitors changes in signal elevation in real time. It's compatible with all transmitters that broadcast at frequencies between 10 kHz and 35 MHz. It's equipped with audio alerts for signal distortion, a 240 by 160 LCD screen, and 8 antennas for accuracy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pipe locators, or simply click beneath this video.